my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 8, Mixed Bag, Chapter number 49, the Yoga Way. Yoga helps us to remain fit and healthy. Look at the pictures, read the description, and write the names of the asanas. First, it is Savasana. Savasana is performed in the beginning of a yoga session. It helps to calm the mind and relax the body. Number 2, Sukhasana. Sukhasana helps to improve focus, correct body posture, and increase flexibility. 3, Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana brings creativity, strengthens the muscles of the legs, hips, glutes, and core, and improves balance. 4, Marjari Asana. Marjari matlab billi. Marjari Asana corrects sitting and standing postures, makes the core tummy muscles strong, and is considered good for increasing the circulation of spinal fluid. 5, Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana enhances positivity, strengthens the muscles of the chest and arms along with the back and abdomen. Number 6, it is Mandukasana. Mendak. Mandukasana increases appetite, is good for the abdomen, and improves flexibility of the thighs, hips, and spine. Number 7 is Simhasana. Stretches the respiratory tract, improves the functioning of the immune system, and reduces anxiety and stress. Number 8, Naukasana. Strengthens the stomach, muscles, shoulders, and thighs. It is very beneficial for kidneys and liver. It helps in curing constipation and other problems related to indigestion. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 50, Space Exploration. Wonders of Science. Space Lab was built by the European Space Agency. It is equipped with all kinds of instruments and apparatus for scientific and engineering experiments. Like the shuttle, it is reusable. It is not left in space, but remains on board the shuttle in orbit and is then returned to Earth. So it was first taken into space in November 1983. Traveling in space is one of the greatest adventures in history. After years of hard work and experimentation, check how much you know. 1. Since which year has space travel been possible? 1950. What is the minimum speed required by an object to escape from the gravitational pull? 4,000 km per hour. 3. A spacecraft moving slower than the escape velocity when moving away from the Earth will gradually slow down and fall back to the Earth. It is true or false? It is true. 4. The first object carried into space by rockets were artificial satellites and probes. So it is true or false? It is true. 5. What was the name of the dog that was the first living creature to go into space? Laika. Number 6. Who is the first ISRO astronaut to visit the International Space Station? Subhanshu Shukla. Subhanshu Shukla. Number 7. Probes are unmanned spacecraft sent into space to find out more information. So what do these probes carry? Measuring instrument, camera and radio. Number 8. What is a crawler type spacecraft called? Unnamed. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 51. How to be a secret agent. Would you like to be secret agent like James Bond? Here is how to send secret messages. No one can decipher unless he knows your secret code. One cipher used by secret agents replaces letters with numbers. In a simple version, A is replaced by 1 and B by 2 and so on with 26 standing for Z. So with the help of the cipher given below, try and decode the secret messages given. Okay, so let me start. 21. Okay, so number 1 is 21, 6, 5, 11, D, O, 5, N, and 11 is T. Don't go today. So it is don't today. Number 2. Nineteen, 22, 14, 18, 9, 22. B, E, W, A, R, E. Beware. O, F, J, नहीं, O, F, 16. So it is 6. 6, 25, 5. Okay, 1, 6. J, O. H, N. Okay, beware of John. Number 3. 26, 184, 10, 10, 26, 22. 26, I, 18A, 4M. I am S10, S 26, I, C, K. I am sick. Okay. I am sick. Okay. So first one is don't go today. Second is beware of John. And third is I am sick. Now, let's start word to number. What's the number हमें describe करने. So now see, if you can send these messages by the secret code. Wait for me. 14, 18, 26, 26, 11. Wait. And now 4. Wait for me. FOR 4. 23, 6 and 9. 23, 6 and 9. It is 4. Me. 4 and 23. 4 and 23. Okay. Now next is help. 25, 22, HEL, 3, 7. Okay. Help. Where shall we meet? Number 3rd. WHEREWHER. 14, 25, 22, 9. 14, 25, 22, 9 and again 22. Where shall? SHALL. Okay. 10, 25, 18. 10, 25, 18. 3, 3. WEV. 14, 22. 14, 22. And now it's meet. MEET, meet. And that is 4, 22, 22 and 11. 4, 22, 22, 11. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 52. Global incident. The later half of the 20th century and the early part of the 21st century have seen various important global events. Some of them are discussed below. 1. So, read the sentences carefully and fill in the blanks. Now 1. USA attacked Iraq. 2003, it was called the Second Gulf War. The first Gulf War was fought in 1990s during the presidency of George Bush. 2. Terrorists attacked the World Trade Tower in New York on 11 September 2001, in which more than 10,000 persons were killed. After that, the USA declared a global war against terrorism. Number 3, the phenomena of ozone layer depletion, ozone layer depletion, pollutants. Ozone layer depletion over Atlantic is an example of harmful effect of chemical known as pollutant. 4. Global warming is a condition in which the temperature of the atmosphere rises due to the enhanced levels of carbon dioxide. So this level is enhanced due to combustion of fuels, forest fires, volcanoes, biodegradation, etc. Number 5, unification East and West Germany. Was a great event of the 20th century. Number 6, globalization. Era is considered one of the most important events in recent history, in which free flow of trade, goods, persons, and capital is made possible, and as a result of which the world is shrinking to become a global village. So it is facilitated by new technology for instant communication and information. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 53, Professionally Perfect. People pursue different kinds of professions and occupations to earn their living. So read the description and write the names of profession. 1. A glazier is a person who fixes glasses in doors and windows. Number 2. A collier is a person who works in a coal mine. 3. A stevedore is a person who loads and unloads ships. 4. A draper is a person who deals in clothes and fabrics. Number 5. A tinker is a person who goes from place to place mending pots and pens. 6. A brazier is a person who deals in brass articles. Number 7. A curator is a person who is in charge of a museum. Number 8. Archaeologist is a person who studies prehistoric remains, ancient buildings, etc. Number 9. A cartographer is a person who draws maps. Number 10. A lapidary is a person who is engaged in the work of cutting precious stones such as diamonds. Number 11. A hawker is a person who goes from place to place selling different things. And the last one, a cattle for the market. Grazier. Okay, this is grazier. A grazier is a person who raises cattle for the market. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 54. Great art forever. Art makes life beautiful. Check your general knowledge in different areas of art. Answer the following. Number 1. One of the 7 wonders of the world is the statue of Zeus. In which country was it located? Olympia, Greek. It is C. Number 2. What is the height of the Statue of Liberty? 150 feet. Number 3. Although copper is highly resistant to chemical action of the atmosphere, a thin coating of a certain color appears on copper statues after a length of time. So what is the color of this coating? Green. 4. Name the artist who painted the famous Mona Lisa. Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci. Number 5. Besides paintings, Leonardo da Vinci was extremely good at another form of art. Name the artist sculpture. Six. By what name is the secular music of the African American community of the United States known? Jazz. 7. In which country were the first Christmas card design? England. Number 8. Name the deep resonant bell which the BBC uses as its signature during broadcast. Number 8. Name the deep resonant bell which the BBC uses as its signature during broadcast. It is Big Ben. 9. Cello, double bass, bassoon are the names of musical instrument. Musical instrument. 10. The Ellora caves are famous for a temple. What is the name of this temple? Kailash temple. 11. A place in Madhya Pradesh is famous all over the world for its wonderfully sculptured temples. What is the name of the place? Khajuraho. 12. What is the name of the most famous sculpture made by Michelangelo? The David. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 55. We eat a variety of food. Can you name these food items? Tandoori roti is very thick. Which roti is very thin? Rumani. Corn on the cob is a popular snack in rural America. How do we know it in India? Bhutta. Saffron is often called yellow gold. Which seafood is considered pink gold? Prawns. 4. If mutton is associated with goat, venison is the meat of which animal? Deer. 5. Which ice cream sounds as if it has been named after a day of the week? Sunday. Sunday. 6. What are popularly referred to by westernized Indians as jams? Gulab jamun. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 56. Where do they live? Circle the animals found in these places. India, tiger. Africa, hippopotamus. Australia, emu. Indonesia, Komodo dragon. New Zealand, kiwi. Siberia, mink. South America, llama. North America, bison. In China, panda. Galapagos Island, tortoise. Canada, grizzly bear. Africa, giraffe. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 57, greetings. An important aspect of our interaction with people is the way we greet them. The way we greet a person will set the tone for the rest of our conversation. With that person, there are various ways to greet a person. So let us read about some of them. A. Introducing someone. You take a friend home and she meets your parents. Remember to always introduce the junior to the senior person first. For example, introduce your friend to your parents first and then address your friends telling her who your parents are. So given below are different ways to introduce your friend to your parents. Here is what you might say. Okay, so Mommy, Daddy, I'd like you to meet someone. This is Prachi. Mom, Dad, I'd like you to meet a friend of mine. Her name is Prachi. Hello, Auntie. Hello, Uncle. Hello, Prachi. Okay, so this is the greetings. What you could say to Prachi? Prachi, these are my parents. Prachi, meet my parents. So these are some ways to interact when you meet someone new. B, meeting someone new when you have been introduced to someone new here is what you could say. It's nice to meet you. I'm very happy to meet you. Hi, hi, hello, glad to meet you. Good to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. One day while returning, you meet a very old friend. Write a short conversation between you and your friend. You can begin your conversation like this. Hello, Reena. How are you, Reena? I'm fine. Thank you. Okay? So, इस टाइप से आपको लिखना है. So, dear students, this chapter is here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 58, IQ Quest. Choose the correct figure from the options that matches with the question figure given on the left. 1. It is है तो इसके बाद B. Question number 2. A. In the following questions, there is a relationship between the first figure and the second figure. Using the same analogy, choose the correct options to replace the question mark. First, option D. Okay. Now, question number 2, option A. Question number C, find the odd one out in each group. A, B, C, D. D. Question number 2. A. Question number 3. B. Question number 4. A, B, C, D. Okay. So, my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So, we will meet you the next class. Thank you, everyone.